Ever wondered how life began its journey on our planet? Let's go back 450 million years to meet an ancient marine organism, the pleurocystids. Imagine a time when life as we know it was just beginning to take form, a time when the very first echinoderms, the ancestors of today's starfish, sea urchins and sand dollars, were starting to explore the vast and mysterious ocean depths. Among these pioneering creatures were the pleurocystids, a group of marine organisms that are believed to be one of the first echinoderms capable of movement using a muscular system. The pleurocystids were not large or particularly fearsome. In fact, they were quite the opposite. These creatures were small and delicate, their bodies encased in a thin, flexible shell. Yet despite their modest size and appearance, the pleurocystids were pioneers, among the first to venture into the unknown and lay the groundwork for future generations of marine life. Now, fast forward to the present day. Researchers have used fossil evidence to engineer a soft, robotic replica of these ancient organisms. This is no simple task. To create a replica that can move and behave like the original, the researchers had to understand not only the physical structure of the pleurocystids, but also their behavior and the environment in which they lived. Why go to all this trouble to recreate a creature that has been extinct for hundreds of millions of years? The answer lies in the field of softbotics. Softbotics is all about creating flexible and adaptable robots. Robots that can move and operate in ways that traditional robots cannot. By studying and replicating the movement of the pleurocystids, researchers hope to gain new insights that could lead to breakthroughs in this exciting field. So the next time you see a robot that can bend, twist and move in ways that seem almost lifelike, remember the pleurocystids. These ancient creatures, long since vanished from the earth, continue to inspire and influence the world of today. Who knew that a creature from the ancient seas could inspire the robots of the future? What if you could speak without uttering a word? This is no longer a hypothetical question, thanks to a groundbreaking new technology. Imagine a world where thoughts become words without the need for vocal cords. A world where silence is no longer a barrier to communication. This may sound like science fiction, but it's rapidly becoming reality. Scientists have developed a speech prosthetic that can translate the brain's signals into speech. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into this fascinating innovation. The human brain is a complex network of signals and synapses, constantly buzzing with activity. When we think about speaking, specific parts of our brain light up, sending out a unique pattern of signals. The speech prosthetic taps into these signals, translating them into words and sentences. This is not a simple process. It involves a deep understanding of both the human brain and the intricate nuances of language. The prosthetic doesn't just pick up on the brain's signals, it also deciphers the intent behind those signals. It understands the difference between thinking about saying hello and actually intending to say it. But why is this important? Why should we care about a technology that lets us talk without speaking? Well, consider those who can't communicate the way most of us do. People with conditions like ALS, cerebral palsy, or those recovering from a stroke often lose their ability to speak. For them, this technology could be life-changing. It could provide a voice to the voiceless, allowing them to communicate their thoughts and feelings clearly and easily. The potential of this technology is vast. It goes beyond merely giving a voice to those who can't speak. It could revolutionize the way we all communicate, making our interactions more efficient and inclusive. And here's the most exciting part. This isn't a distant dream. It's happening right now. The speech prosthetic is in development, and with each passing day, we're getting closer to turning this science fiction into science fact. In the silence of the mind, a new form of communication is born. Our evolutionary history is filled with mysteries and fascinating creatures. Among them is Ekmoechashala, a primate whose saga is only now being unraveled. The tale of Ekmoechashala is one of time travel, spanning continents and epochs. This primate, whose name is as complex as its story, is the last known of its kind found in the fossil record before humans arrived in North America. The recent discovery of its fossil teeth and jaws in Nebraska and China has unlocked new chapters in our understanding of human evolution. Ekmoechashala's fossilized remains tell us much about the world it inhabited. The primate lived during a time when the Earth was a very different place, vastly unrecognizable from the world we know today. Its existence is a testament to the incredible diversity of life that once roamed our planet. The fossil teeth and jaws of Ekmoetrashala provide a glimpse into the creature's lifestyle. They suggest that it was an omnivore, consuming a diet that included both plants and small animals. This dietary flexibility may have been a key survival strategy, allowing Ekmoetrashala to adapt to changing environments and food availability. The discovery of Ekmoetrashala's remains in both Nebraska and China also hints at the primate's widespread distribution. This geographical spread implies that these primates were highly adaptable, able to thrive in diverse habitats across vast distances. It's a trait that would later prove essential for the survival and success of our own species. The saga of Ekmoetrashala is more than a story of a long-extinct primate. It's a tale that sheds light on the paths and processes that led to us Homo sapiens. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of our past, we gain essential insights into our own nature and the evolutionary forces that have shaped us. The echoes of our past continue to shape our understanding of human evolution. The human brain, a marvel of nature, is an enigma that scientists are just beginning to understand. This magnificent organ, a complex tapestry of billions of neurons, is the command center for our thoughts, emotions, and actions. The mysteries it holds have long been the subject of intense scientific inquiry, and today we are on the brink of a new frontier. Recently, an international consortium of scientists embarked on a landmark study, an expedition into the inner recesses of the human brain. Using advanced technologies, they charted the genetic, cellular, and structural landscapes of this intricate organ, but they didn't stop there. They extended their research to our closest relatives in the animal kingdom, the non-human primates. This comparative study provides an extraordinary window into our evolutionary past, unveiling the shared and unique aspects of our cognitive architecture. The implications of this study are profound. This comprehensive map of the brain will serve as a roadmap for neuroscientists worldwide, guiding us through the labyrinth of the mind. It will deepen our understanding of brain function, shedding light on how this organ orchestrates our perceptions, thoughts, and behaviors. Moreover, it holds the promise to revolutionize our approach to brain disorders. By understanding the healthy brain, we can better comprehend what goes awry in conditions like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and mental health disorders. The beauty of science is that every discovery opens up new horizons for exploration. Today, we stand at the gateway of a new era in neuroscience. As we delve deeper into the brain's intricate network of neurons, we are not just uncovering the secrets of the human mind. We are also unraveling the enigma of what it means to be human. The mind's labyrinth is being mapped, and with each step we come closer to understanding ourselves. Imagine being able to control your brain activity to visualize remote locations. Now imagine you're a rat. This might seem a little far-fetched, but recent scientific discoveries have revealed that rats, much like humans, have the ability to use their imagination. Scientists have found that rats can control their brain activity to imagine remote places. This discovery was a significant breakthrough as it provided a new perspective on how the brain functions, particularly in terms of spatial awareness and memory. In the study, researchers examined the brain activity of rats as they navigated through different environments. They found that the rats' brain cells, or neurons, fired in specific patterns that matched their physical location. This suggested that the rats were using their brains to create a mental map of their surroundings. But, interestingly, the researchers also observed that the rats' neurons fired in these same patterns even when the rats were not physically moving. This indicated that the rats were able to visualize or imagine these remote locations. This discovery about rats' brains has the potential to open up new avenues of research in neuroscience. It could help scientists better understand the complexities of the brain and how it processes information. This understanding could, in turn, lead to advancements in treating neurological disorders and improving cognitive function. Moreover, the study also has broader implications for our understanding of animal cognition. It challenges the conventional belief that animals lack the capacity for complex thought processes like imagination. Instead, it suggests that animals, even those as small as rats, might have cognitive abilities far beyond what we previously assumed. So the next time you see a rat, remember that it might be imagining a whole different world. In the realm of scientific discovery, even rats have a tale to tell.